Creta has always dominated the SUV segment for a very long time and the vehicle was due for a major facelift. In the meantime, Hyundai's sister brand Kia entered the market and ruled the SUV space with its Kia Seltos. So, Hyundai updated the car and here we have the all-new updated 2020 Hyundai Creta. Speaking about the new looks of the car, Hyundai has changed the aesthetics completely and now it looks more mature and is in line with other Hyundai cars. We have this large grille that has the chrome garnishing and the LED headlamps are now placed below the DRLs that is now becoming a trend. From the front, we can easily notice that this is a beefed up version of the Venue and definitely has a better road presence when compared to the outgoing model. Speaking about the side profile, we have a few cuts and creases which once again reminds us about the Venue but has more design elements that stands out from the rest of the crowd. One such example is the silver accent that starts from A pillar and gets larger towards the C pillar. And finally, speaking about the rear end of the car, we have a stop lamp that has been almost replicated from the front portion of the car and the piano black strip joins the two tail lamps that houses the brake light that would usually be situated at the top of the boot. Overall, it's a car that has grown in every perspective and it's totally up to you to decide whether you like the design or not. I personally like the way it looks, but when compared to its direct rival Kia Seltos, I would still choose the latter one if only the exterior looks becomes the utmost priority. If you have been liking this video so far, then why not hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Speaking about the interiors, the first thing that you notice as soon as you step into the cabin is this huge panoramic sunroof that opens up largely and makes the cabin so much more airier. Even the operation is very easy and the entire sunroof can be opened at a touch of a button. The things are put together very well and even the quality of materials used is very good. We even get a large 10.25 inch touchscreen unit that is very responsive and even the display is excellent. Despite having the sunroof opened, we can easily read the display on the go. You even get the voice command that we saw on Kia Seltos and even the car gets BlueLink technology that has the capacity to understand 52 functions including the engine start-stop, turning on the air conditioning and many more. The SX automatic variant that we see here even gets paddle shifters which are missing on Kia Seltos. There are a bunch of other features, so have a look at all of them. Most of the Indian customers do prefer to be chauffeur driven. So let's check out the rear seat comfort of the vehicle. So here we are at the rear seat of the Hyundai Creta. As you can see here, we have loads of knee-room and under-thigh support is quite sufficient and even the headroom despite the panoramic sunroof is very good even for a 6-foot tall passenger. To increase your comfort level, you can even adjust the backrest angle to 36 degrees. Also, you get this cushion as standard across the variant so that you get that relaxed feel on those long highway journeys. You even get a sun blind at the rear so that you don't have to worry about those summer trips. There is even a display right above the front armrest that shows the air quality inside the cabin, and you can even control the air purifier system right from the screen. It even has the function to either purify the air present inside the car completely, or it allows you to choose the portion of the car that has to be supplied with the purified air. Overall, you get more sense of airiness when compared to any other car in this segment, and even the cushioning of the seats is undoubtedly the best in the segment. If you are a person who love to be chauffeur driven, then definitely Creta is the one that you should be going ahead with. Speaking about the boot space, we get a large 433-liter boot that is shaped very well. Even the large suitcases can be loaded easily without any issues. The loading lid is completely flat, which makes it easy to slide those heavy luggages inside. Now that we saw how the vehicle looks, let's get behind the wheels and see how the 1.5-liter diesel automatic drives. One thing that has to be noted is that if you are staying in Bangalore and want the diesel engine option, this is the first vehicle that is available for test drive, and it's available only with Trident Hyundai. So, in case if you are looking for a diesel automatic in Creta and want a test drive of the same, do contact Mr. Chetan, whose contact is in the description box below. Speaking about the driving dynamics, the vehicle is very good and you won't even hear a little bit of engine noise inside the cabin. The vehicle has a very refined engine which has a power delivery which is very linear. Even the transmissions are very smooth and you won't notice the gear shiftings. Since this is an 80 gearbox, you get that 6th gear and gives you a relaxed driving experience on those long highway journeys. You even get these paddle shifters which help you to change the gears when you are driving in sports mode or in the manual mode. One thing that has to be highlighted about the cruise control is that it comes with a memory function that remembers the speed that you previously set and allows you to resume your same cruising speed even if you slow down due to the oncoming traffic. The suspension is very good, which makes the drive very much comfortable. Even the potholes can be managed easily and there is no sort of issues with this car. In terms of driving mode, we have 3 different modes, which is Comfort, Sports and Eco mode. In Comfort mode, the gear shift is very linear and you won't notice the gear shifting. However, in the Sports mode, the gears will hold on and shift at a later stage. What this does is give you a sporty feel compared to the other modes. And Eco mode is only for those who want maximum fuel efficiency out of this engine. Speaking about the drivetrain options available on offer, we get a total of 3 engine and 4 gearbox options. This include the 1.5-liter petrol, the 1.4-liter turbo petrol and the 1.5-liter diesel. Among these 3 engines, the 1.5-liter petrol and the 1.5-liter diesel gets both manual transmission as well as an automatic transmission. However, the 1.4-liter turbo petrol engine comes mated only with the DCT transmission option. Each engine has different power outputs, so have a look at all of them. Apart from the 3 drive modes available, we even get 3 different traction modes that can be changed between snow, mud and sand. The vehicle even gets the electronic parking brakes that are replaced with the conventional hand lever. Right below the electronic brake, we have the auto hold button whose function is to stop the vehicle from rolling back even if the brakes is not applied. You even have the option to turn on the rear camera all the time when you are driving the car. This gives you a better rear end visibility and helps you to alert about the vehicles approaching from the rear of the car. Speaking about the pricing of the car, the ex-showroom price that you see here remains the same for all the states across the country. However, the on-road price would change based on the tax applicable in your respective state. The on-road price that you see here is for Bangalore. Now that you saw how the vehicle drives on our Indian roads and how the interiors and exteriors of the car are, you might be having a few questions about Hyundai Creta or Hyundai as a whole. So I'll be asking all of those questions to Mr. Chetan Kumar and let us see what he has to tell about the car. So thank you sir, thank you for giving us an opportunity to review the Hyundai Creta, the automatic which is not available anywhere. So few customers have questions regarding Creta and Hyundai as a whole. So I'll be asking you the same and please do answer the question.
Sure.
So, first of all, what would be the servicing cost of Creta?
See, if you see Creta, it is already established in Indian roads. It is already there from 2015. And if you see the servicing cost on a petrol car, it would varies between 5,000 to 5,500 rupees per servicing. That is once in a year or once in 10,000 kilometers. If you see on a diesel car, it will be somewhere around 6,500 to 7,000 rupees. And it will be the same interval, once in a year or once in 10,000.
Okay, so first year is completely free.
It has got totally free services up to 2 years. 70,000 kilometers 2 years.
And what would be the real world fuel efficiency, sir? Because we have the 1.5 liter petrol and the 1.4 liter petrol and 1.5 liter diesel. So what would be the mileage that we can expect in the real world condition?
If you see on a petrol car, it delivers 12 kilometers on a city traffic condition. On an highway, 14 to 15. And you see on a diesel manual car, it delivers 15 kilometers on city, and highway 18 to 19 kilometers.
And what is the approximate waiting period for the car?
See, presently, since car is newly launched, there is a waiting period. It has got 4 to 8 weeks, based on the color and the model of the car.
And one last question, sir. So how are you dealing the coronavirus pandemic? Because many people are afraid to come out of their home and visit the showrooms because of the pandemic, and there are already the existing bookings available for the car. So how are you delivering the car, and what are the precautionary measures that Hyundai is taking as a whole, and what are especially the Trident Hyundai is doing from your end?
See, basically all our test drive cars and display cars, we have took a lot of precautionary measures. If you see on our test drive cars, there will be of 6 points checkpoints, as well as on a display car 5 points, wherein you will get car to be sanitized after every drive or after every demo in the showroom. 5 points in showroom, 6 points in test drive car. Mainly if you see on the door handles, and if you see on a key, as well as the steering wheel, air knob, seat belt buckles, and brake holder. All this will be sanitized in the car after every drive, as well as in the vehicle showroom. After every demo, it will be sanitized.
So is there any suggestion to the customers during this pandemic so that they can take care of their existing cars at their home?
See, mainly now because of this pandemic situation, few of them is hesitant to come out to get the car service. We have got a free pickup and drop service facilities also, wherein drivers will come and pick up the car and get the vehicles service at that place, and it will be dropped back to them. And secondly, if you see mainly on the sales, if you see we have got online booking facility, and also Hyundai has newly launched the click to buy option, wherein you can go and make a booking advance. Everything will be without any interaction with the consultant. It can be booked the car and they can purchase the car, same as Amazon.
Sharing your experience and telling the things that customers wanted to know about the car. And thank you once again for giving us the opportunity to review the car. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Hyundai has always been a customer-friendly company, and especially Trident Hyundai offers you the maximum customer satisfaction compared to any other dealer. If you reside in Bangalore and want to book the all-new Creta or any other Hyundai car, then definitely check out the Trident Hyundai showroom located on the Sankey Road. For all the sales-related queries, do contact the showroom's Assistant Manager of Sales, Mr. Chetan, who will help you out in each and every step. The contact details is right in the description box below.
So, what's the final verdict?
We must say that Creta is definitely a value for money car, and especially considering the features offered even on the base EX variant, we can easily say that if you like the way the car looks, you can undoubtedly book the car and have one in your garage. However, if you don't like the way the car looks and want the same punchy engine with the same engine and gearbox options, then definitely Kia Seltos is the one that you should look for. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.